Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I found this recipe online. It's from the Roasted Root. It's called Mediterranean Stuffed Salmon, and it looks so delicious. It is a snowy day here. We have off of school, which means I am off of work since I work at the school. And I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make this for lunch and try it out because it just sounds so good. Oops, just dropped the recipe and thought I would share it with you. I'll go over the ingredients real quick. I will link their site where you can get the recipe in the description box so you'll have it. Again, it's called Mediterranean Stuffed Salmon, and I am really excited about this. I am, fingers crossed, this is really good. So the first thing I have is 2 salmon fillets. I just bought these at Costco, nice and thick. It was like a bag of them. I think it was like 8 in a bag or something like that. I have some, turn it around so you can see it, some feta cheese. I have some sun-dried tomatoes. I have some spinach, sea salt, some Italian spice. This is optional, but I think it's going to be good on there. And then some avocado oil. So the first thing we're going to do is take our sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to chop them up, and then we're going to take them over to the pan and just cook them in the pan for a little bit, and then add our spinach. So let me turn the camera down and we'll get started. Alright, so this calls for sun-dried tomatoes, roughly chopped. Oops, I'm making a mess already. So I'm going to go ahead, put those right in there. I love sun-dried tomatoes. Alright, let's put that aside. And we're going to dump that out. And I'm just going to go ahead and just do a quick chop. And that, my friends, is the oven. I have it preheating to 350. Alright, my friends, we're going to take this over to the stove top. Alright, my friends, we're going to go ahead and coat the pan a little bit with some of their avocado olive oil. Let that heat up a little bit. Alright, friends, I always told you, whenever I have a kitchen blooper, I don't edit it out just because we all do this. But boy, this one was pretty bad. I poured the olive oil in, went over, started opening the salmon fillets to get it on the plate to get ready. And I was like, okay, should be hot. I come over and I'm like, it's not hot. Why isn't it hot? Guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to turn the burner on. Just a little funny for you. Thought you guys would enjoy it. How many of you all do it? But anyway, let's go ahead now and add our sun-dried tomatoes. Those cooked a little bit. You really didn't need to add much olive oil in here because the sun-dried tomatoes that I purchased were already in olive oil. But I just wanted to add a little bit more just for my spinach to get that coated. But you don't really need to do that. So we're going to go ahead and let this cook up just a tad bit, and then we're going to add our spinach. Alright, my friends, our sun-dried tomatoes are starting to sizzle a little bit here. Smells delicious already. I just love sun-dried tomatoes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my spinach. Oh man, the aroma. It looks beautiful. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Alright. Oh, the smell. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this. Alright, I'm just going to let this spinach cook down and get wilty. And then we will move on to the salmon. All right, my friends, it's looking good. Isn't it amazing how much spinach I put in there, and then this is the end result? I'm always amazed at how that cooks down. All right, friends, this looks delicious, and the aroma, oh, delicious, delicious. All right, so I'm going to turn this off, put it to the side, and then we're going to head over back to the counter and get ready, get our salmon prepared. All right, my friends, so I'm going to go ahead and take my salmon. I am just going to slice it down the middle. I am not going to go all the way through. I do want to keep it attached. Just want to be able to cut it enough that I can stuff it. There we go. Just like that. I'm just going to pull it apart a little bit. There we go. Perfect. And I'll go ahead and do the same. This one, like a piece fell off. I was a little frustrated about that, but we're going to get this stuffed somehow, some way. Might need to, there we go. See, that probably will need to just add that in there, but that's okay. We'll make it work. There we go. See how I have that little hole right there? So I am just going to slip that in just like that. Now I want to wash my hands real quick before I touch anything else. All right, my friends, so I'm going to go ahead, flip these over real quick and just season them a little bit and then flip them back over. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead, take a little bit of that oil. We're going to just rub that on there real quick. Mr. Chasey, I don't know if you can hear his claws on the wood floor. He just got those trimmed the day before yesterday. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of seasoning. Alright, now I'm going to flip those back over. Lovely piece here. Alright. I'm just going to have to add a little bit more olive oil. Alright, a little bit more seasoning. Alright, my friends, now I'm going to take some of my feta cheese. We're just going to put that right in there. Just like that. Oh, I just threw feta cheese all over the floor. I don't know, I don't think the dog will eat it. If Opie Girl was here, she would have ate it. I don't know, he's heading this way. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead over to the stove and get my pan of sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. Alright, my friends, we have that now. Go ahead and put that right on there. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It really smells delicious. So I'm excited. I'm hoping that it's going to taste as good as it smells. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so beautiful. I hope my husband doesn't watch this. He's going to kill me using my fork in this pan. Alright, my friends. There we go. Look how beautiful that is. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, cannot wait. All right, my friends, we're gonna go ahead, just fold that over like that. Put that feta cheese and goodness all back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and fold this one right over, just like that. And I'm a little frustrated that my salmon, what I probably should do is flip this one over on the side like that, since that piece fell out or broke off. There we go. I think that will work. So we're going to go ahead and throw that in the oven. All right, my friends, so we're going to go ahead and take this, put it in the oven, and we'll come and check on it in about 20 minutes. Cannot wait. All right, my friends, the timer went off. I did go back in and put it in for an extra 5 minutes. That looks delicious. Look at that. Yum. All right, let's put it over there. And then we're going to go ahead, plate it up, and try it. All right, my friends, here it is. Does that look delicious or what? Oh, I can't wait to try it. It smells so, oh, it's hot. The plate's hot. It smells so good. Cannot wait. Get a little bit of everything on my fork. The salmon is very tender, flaky. Oh, you can really taste those sun-dried tomatoes. So good. Friends, 2 thumbs up for this. Pardon me. 2 thumbs up for this. It is absolutely delicious. You have to try. Have to try. And Tracy's down here. He wants some too. You can't have any. No. All right, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And Chase, you hear him? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would help me out and subscribe. And don't forget to go follow me over there on Facebook and Instagram. I'm very active over there. So friends, thanks again for joining me, and I really hope you have a great day. Now I'm going to go enjoy my lunch. See you later. Bye.